So kanang Safe Spaces Act pasabta ko na unsa na. Go
Okay,
ahead.
so under civil law, ang Safe Spaces Act is like this. It's like a new version of or it's different from the Sexual or Anti-Sexual Harassment Act in such a way that yung requisites are quite different nga.
Okay.
You don't need to be someone who has authority nga nagdaog-daog kaglain nga tao.
Okay.
For the Safe Spaces Act or the Bawal Bastos Law, RA 11313, it's a broader spectrum. So now, instead of focusing on mga harassment inside of schools, workplaces, this even covers public spaces. So katong imong gihatag example, katong afam nga nasa club bar or nasa club or nga bar, this then would protect the victim's rights regardless of the offender's relationship with them. So regardless if kaila na nimo or what, or it could be a total stranger, right? So whether it's in a public space or not, any act such as catcalling, stalking, making lewd remarks.
Tessa, unsa man ang catcalling? Dili na lahi pa ng dog calling.
Lahi sa ng dog calling.
Naapoy horse calling. Unsa man ang catcalling? Pasabta ko ako kasabuton ng catcalling.
Catcalling.
Nakadungog na ko ng award pero nganong catman.
I don't know why it's called
Nganong iring man siya?
catcalling.
Kanang man kumana siya na.
Maybe because kanang musitsit ka to your cat,
Day.
O kanang masitsit ka or or you're making any remarks.
Okay.
You know, I don't know why that is quite common sa atong
Okay.
Philippine culture.
Sige.
Na moagi ka.
So dili na Pilipino ra kanang naa na siya sa gawas gyud pirmi kanang magsanbay mga tao nga wailingaw kanang they feel empowered kay nasa sila sa grupo ba.
Okay.
Mo man
Daghan man sila kauban,
daghan sila kauban
magana
nya nay
dayon.
mulabay nga sexy o nay kung mga babae nga gatapok nga nag-inom og kape o nagrilyo na lalaki nga gwapo mo sisiton pa na nila that works both ways.
Yes.
So mo na catcalling.
That is called
kanang
catcalling.
tawag nimo sitsita nimo ang tao or ang babae or ang lalaki nga sexihan nimo whatever, right?
Yeah, any kind of remark. It even something that just makes them uncomfortable. Even as much as saying,
taghuyon lang.
you don't even have to say something offensive.
Taghuyon lang.
Yeah, taghuyon.
Hungaw mo ang tagoy.
Whistle ka.
Hungaw ang tagoy.
You don't even have to say anything
Ikaw, kiba ka mo tagoy?
offensive.
Kiba ka mo tagoy? Oh,
I can't also. We covered that last time. Remember? Kitang duha, we don't know how.
So catcalling ng hungaw nga tagoy dili siya na mo qualify, di ba?
No,
Kaya
kaya.
hungaw man.
Di, kung na-offended ko, makakita ko nga gana di mong lips, makita ko pagaw man na siya gihapon nga it's a pagaw nga whistle.
So basig hungaw nga whistle,
Counted
catcalling
na,
gyapon.
counted.
Sige, go. Continue.
Yeah, so then again, other kinds of advances also nga not in consent that can be counted as that. I think in my opinion.